It's October. Can you believe it? Here's math review for Thursday, October 1st, 2020. Holy cow. Okay, here I have three really big numbers. You may remember when we did geography this week, we rounded off the square miles of the earth and the land and water portions of the earth to make them a little bit more manageable. So we're going to pretend like this is the population of California, this is the population of Texas, and this is the population of Michigan. I have no idea if it is. But those are monster numbers, and there's a lot of numbers in there, and it's just jumbly-bumbly. Let's see if we can round those up to the nearest million so we can compare them. So this first one, we're going to underline the millions place. I'm going to go get my red pen. I'll be right back. The magic of video. I can disappear, come back in no time. Okay, so the millions place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So this is the one we want to keep. So we look at the one next to it. If it's 5 or higher, we round up. It's a 9. That's really high. So we're going to round this up to what? 39 million. So I'm going to move this over a little bit so we can write the rounded up numbers over here. So after the place that we want to keep, the rest of the numbers are going to go to a 0 because we want to round to exactly a certain number of million. 39 million. So 38,952,000 is really close to 39 million. Sometimes in a newspaper, you'll see them just write 39 and then the word million. All right, so let's round this next one. Millions place is the 9. So we look at this one here. It's also a 9, so we're going to round this one up. What does 9 round up to? 9 is the biggest number. So that means, what's the next number above 19? What's the next number above 19 million? 20 million. So 20, and then all those zeros to put it in the millions place. And then this one, we're going to round to the nearest million. So we look at this guy, he's under 4, so that means the 7 stays the same, and we get 17 million. Now it's a little easier to compare them. 30, 20, what's double, what's twice 20? 20 and 20? 40. 39 is really close to 40. So this is almost 2 times this. But these two, they're 3 million different, but they're a whole lot closer together than these two are. So that makes those numbers, these big old messy numbers, much easier to think about. That's one of the reasons for rounding. I'm going to put some problems on the board and I want you to round them for me. By the way, yesterday's assignment of working with fractions, you should have written 9/30/2020 is the date and fractions at the top. So if you didn't do that, go back and put that heading and then put today's heading of rounding. So put 9/30/20 above the fraction lesson so you can keep track of it, and then write fractions. Please. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that part yesterday, but you should be getting the idea by now. All right, I'll be right back with your rounding problems. All right, so round to the nearest 10, these two. Round to the nearest 100, that one. Round to the nearest million, that one. So you have to think about which place are you rounding to, and then round it off. I'm going to give you one more. I thought of it. I'll be right back. Okay, this little guy down at the bottom. We're going to round to the nearest 10,000. So you have to know which one of these is the 10,000s place. underline it, circle the one next to it, ask yourself the questions, decide if it rounds up or it stays the same. Everything that side of whatever place you're rounding to should be all zeros. But there should be as many places left with zeros as there are in the original number. Hope you understood what that all meant. Bye.